Arsa Curcumin is a premium supplement developed by Arsa Life Care Private Limited, a pharmaceutical company from India that provides the health benefits of curcumin with phytosome technology. This supplement contains a highly bioavailable form of curcumin that is easy for the body to absorb and utilize. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound found in turmeric, which has been shown to have numerous health benefits. However, curcumin on its own is poorly absorbed by the body. Arsa Curcumin uses phytosome technology to enhance absorption and make curcumin more effective. Arsa Curcumin is manufactured in a GMP-certified facility, ensuring that the product is of the highest quality and meets strict safety standards. It is also free from harmful chemicals and additives, making it a safe and effective option for those looking to support their overall health. To use Arsa Curcumin, simply take 1 capsule daily with water, preferably after a meal. With regular use, Arsa Curcumin can help to support healthy joints, cardiovascular health, and cognitive function, among other benefits. Overall, Arsa Curcumin is a reliable and effective option for those who want to support their overall health and well-being. With phytosome technology and a commitment to quality and safety, Arsa Life Care Private Limited has created a supplement that can help people achieve their health goals.